Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving work and closing apps so the restart won't corrupt files. Once done, make sure the Surface has at least 10% battery or is plugged into AC power. This prevents shutdown mid-reboot. If Windows shows pending updates, decide now whether to include them. Updates change boot behavior, so choose Restart to apply or Restart later to preserve state. You want a controlled beginning. That avoids forced restarts or interrupted firmware updates that can complicate recovery. You will now trigger the restart from Windows. Open Start, choose Power, then Restart. This gracefully closes services and applies updates if selected. If the system is frozen, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del to access restart options. Only use the Surface power button hold, 10+ seconds, as a last resort because it forces a hard shutdown and can leave file systems inconsistent. During reboot, monitor for firmware or Windows update screens and let them finish. Interrupting them risks boot issues. You finish by confirming Windows reaches the desktop and your apps reopen. Verify network and peripherals work. If the Surface stalls on the logo or recovery screen, enter Surface UEFI by powering off, then holding volume up while pressing power to access diagnostics and boot options. This helps repair drivers or change boot order. If nothing responds, perform a hard reset. Hold the power button for 30 seconds, then power on. One key troubleshooting tip: always try UEFI diagnostics before wiping the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.